Today we're checking out the Gilman Tunnels. Where am I at? Back there. So yeah, that's an old railway. My son is right behind me. It's an old railroad tunnel. They closed, I think, back in the early 1900s. They used to bring wood trees out of the Jemez, and yeah, this just happens to be the longest, which I find weird because we have so many mountains. It's the longest tunnel in all of New Mexico. So we're gonna go check it out. It's wintertime in the Jemez. Might be some cool icicles hanging from the roof. We're gonna go check it out. So yeah, the views back here, and the waterfall. The river. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful back here. I want to see if I can fly the drone through the tunnel here in a second, and maybe over the river. So let's see if we can get that done. Get in the shade a little bit. So yeah, Gilman Tunnels, pretty cool place. Get a little echo going on here in a second. I did this video because a buddy of mine from work, you know who you are, Antonio, he asked me to do this. I told him, yeah, I'll go out there and check out. I've been here years ago, but I haven't done a video on this place. So, but interesting spot, yeah. 3 different movies they've done here. The new 310 to Yuma, the newest Lone Ranger was done here in these tunnels, and there's one other one I can't remember the name off the top of my head. But yeah, it's a cool place. Cold, it's winter time, but still pretty neat. The river's beautiful. It's out here in the middle of nowhere, but it's definitely a cool spot. Like I said, longest tunnel in New Mexico. Still kind of blows my mind this is the longest because there's so many mountains here, but I know I said that before. But yeah, neat spot. Come check it out if you get a chance. If you're up in the Jemez or Albuquerque or Bernalillo, you're not very far away. It's a beautiful spot to hang out, beautiful spot to take pictures, and you know, two of my favorite photos ever. Hopefully if I can find them, I'll put them in this video. I took here at Gilman Tunnels early on when I was doing my photography stuff. But absolutely beautiful place. You need to come check it out. Hope the drone footage comes out really good. As you can see, it's a little iced over. I think this morning to do the Via, it was like 14 degrees, 19 degrees. It was cold. So, but definitely come check it out. Yeah. I'm going back to the car. The wife wants to redo a photo I did here years ago. I like that backdrop's a little bit better, a little more picturesque. But as always, if you watch this long, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you like what I'm doing. You want to see more stuff like this here in New Mexico or elsewhere, who knows. I'm trying to get out and do some traveling. Definitely, again, like I said, hate to call them New Year's resolutions because I don't believe in all that. But my plan, New Year's 2024 plan, is to do hopefully 2 videos a month. Grow my channel to at least 100 subscribers. Believe me, I'm excited for the 31 I think I have now. Doesn't matter. But yes, I would love to grow my channel, make more videos, hopefully make a little bit better quality video. And like I said, check out more cool stuff like that behind me. So again, thanks for watching. And I'm gonna go take my wife's picture because I think she's cold and she's ready to get out of here. So thanks for watching.